No, he's in park.
He doesn't want
Got
to start
nothing
it
to lose. Or Strapinos.
I don't know, first the floor. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
You have a bad back.
Yeah, that's about right. Oh, this roof spoiler. Oh, God.
Go through the...
Through. It's a go-kart, yeah.
Car, we make them.
You're gonna slide back.
Yeah, well, that's why we use the other one to pull it. And
My friends are your friends. Wow, yo, you should do graffiti. That was something, that was something. So scared of the random like grunts.
yeah, I was like, I'm not throwing backies. There's a big divot up on the way back. I already came back this way earlier. Nice match.
He's on my steering wheel. Came all the way to see me.
Eat him up! Alright, so we can't rip the track, but we're gonna rip around, see what's here. Gates haven't opened yet.
What kind of car that is?
The flat looking.
I don't know. I've never seen a chassis that looks like this. It's such a cool looking chassis. I feel like it's from like Australia or New Zealand or something. Just plopped on top of a full tube chassis.
It's a three-wheeler, so it can tip.
Yeah.
So if you don't lean into the turn like you would on a dirt bike, you will flip.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Thank you.
And it's fast. So.
And we'll bully you a little bit to give you some extra.
That is what donut. Oh my god. Oh, yeah.
Try going right. Right's
Let me give you
easier.
some teaching real quick. And when you're turning this way, your wrist kind of faces down, and when you turn this way, your wrist.
It's a broken wrist. Dude.
Yeah, I have a broken wrist.
There you go.
There we go, Axel. There we go. There we go. I don't want to flip it. That thing's so
One other
fast.
thing with your weight distribution is if you have your knees out.
Out.
When you're riding in.
Like a butterfly.
Let's win it, baby. Van Prix 2025. We're gonna take the win. Taxi Garage. Let's get it.
So a reminder, our giveaway is live and is going on until the end of April. So you can win this Stage 3 Naoki custom powder coated standard crazy cart with just $5 spent. So every $5 spent on our website is one entry. So now if you spend a lot of $5, you get a lot of entries. So make sure you guys check it out on the website. Everything applies store-wide. And at the end of April, we'll pick a lucky winner. And then we have something else special in store right after that. Yeah, so this is our new merch line. Send it, Taxi Garage logo on the back. Super soft. And this qualifies you. So this shirt is $20 to get you 4 entries. We're gonna go rip this cart, show you guys what it does, and maybe you win. Win this. End of April, giveaway end, $5 equals 1 entry. Get to it. Trying to make dreams come true, trying to listen to you guys as fans is what you want. Everyone wants a free crazy cart. So free is not always free, but we're gonna try to make it as close to free as possible, and that's why this giveaway is going on. Shop now, taxi-garage.com.
Hey, ooh, I like a great man. Ooh, a little send it on the side.
These are just getting bagged now.
Nice.
Fresh pull the parties.
Fresh
Colorway.
Yeah, things fire.
We went loud.
Yo, cool keychain. Where'd you get it?
Taxigarage.com.
Really?
Taxi-garage.com.
Wait, what about this cool shirt? Let me see the back.
All right, are we telling the people?
Yeah.
So I literally just came from across the street. Get this off me. Florida t-shirt. Shout out to you guys, always keeping us looking good. So we've got, for 2025, we've got the Pull to Party Taxi Garage shirt. Check this out.
Woohoo! Oof, there it is in the sun. Oh my God, this thing's rad.
As you guys know, we said it multiple times. When we refer to the drift bar, we call it party stick. So you pull to party, and we thought it was a cool play on words. So we turned it into some swag, but lo and behold, beneath me, in front of my eyes, in front of your eye, the XL Stage 5 Blink 182 edition. You guys saw previously we did the Shelby GT500. The GT500, remember that cart?
Yeah.
By Shane, he ordered it, loved that cart so much, so he came back. He's a huge Blink 182 fan. We worked on that design with him. We've got up front, we've got Travis Barker's logo initials, with having Ryan be able to fabricate any ideas or renders you guys send to me, we can make happen and weld it into the cart. One more time, the notorious saying by Blink 182. We've got Blink 182, the album cover logo, XL Stage 5, all the bells and whistles, 1000 watt, 48 volt. This one's got the brake kit option on it as well. Oh, we even did, I believe, a pink color match battery box. And then if you're looking at the whole design, Anthony knocked it out of the park, homie at Ripskinz. We've done a few now. We can lay the Ripskinz over a stock black cart, but when we do the powder coating process and then apply the Ripskinz livery on top, it just takes it to this next level here. And that's something that we really want to offer for 2025 and years upon. We're gonna ship it off to you, Shane. Cool thing, he's in Florida too, so we're gonna ship it out tomorrow. He'll get it the next day, but we do ship the worldwide. So if you're looking for a custom cart, you've got a favorite band, you've got a favorite sports team, you've got Marvel characters, we've done a lot. So if you go to the gallery, you can see all the pictures that Casey's documented for us, and you know, our portfolio keeps growing thanks to you guys. Leave us a comment. You guys are Blink 182 fans, leave some song lyrics. Yeah, hopefully you guys know who Blink 182 is. We take this thing for a couple laps.
Where you will always find me.
Halloween on Christmas. And then this night will never end. Can't name that song, comment to the Google app and we'll find it.
Wait. All right, give her a scoot. I'll give her a scoot and a boogie.
This one's for you, Shane. Hello there. The angel from my nightmare. Background. You will always find me. Oh, I'm Halloween on Christmas. Oh, the brakes are so nice. Hello there. Right? Quick breakdown. While I can hold the drift, it's because of the TGY caster upgrade. While I can stop, oh, lost you guys. Said while I can stop, it's because I have the hydraulic brake kit, right? Basically, we've got the normal motor gear with wheel sprocket. On the other side, we fabricated the caliper and rotor off of our bracket. Free-blade hydraulic line, wrapped around cleanly, and then that allows you to grab that front wheel.
So you got a brand new cart?
Yeah,
Where are you from?
Florida.
Sweet. You have Charlie's swagger, the checkers.
I know, that's my
And the Nikes?
That's my Friday night go-to shirt. Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah. We like checkers around here.
We like to see the checkered flag. Big race guys.
It's your first car. It's like your first car, you know? You have a cart.
Oh, we got you a hat to match.
Ooh.
What's your favorite video?
Oh my gosh.
It was the one when you guys were at the park and then two of you guys like fell from the going off.
Oh, that's Reed.
Oh yeah, Reed and Slidey. That park's actually close to here.
Been telling us about this for a year ago. Like a year ago, he was like making deals about not asking us for money to get
Started
something.
working a little bit harder.
Yeah.
I like that.
Huh?
So this is like a year in progress of him behaving and
Love that.
Sweet.
not asking for stuff. So he's super excited about
Drive.
it.
Awesome.
Yes.
That's cool.
Yes.
That's that actually gives me goosebumps. That's cool.
Yeah, working towards it. Now you have it.
Just don't
I
want.
think we got some film.
And then there's
Every time someone comes to get a local pickup, we shoot these Polaroids. We're getting a cork wall, but we don't have it yet. So everyone comes here, they sign, they date,
There's a lot.
and then we put them up. We're gonna put them up on the wall.
Yeah, we're just gonna designate a wall.
Yeah. Very nice. Throttle modulation. Woo!
Yeah, no, it worked out perfect.
It's Dad's turn? Oh, that's smart. Do you want the little rundown or do you remember? It's a little tight for big guys, but. Woo! Dad's getting it now too. Hello. He's up in the boxes. Yo, we gotta get the bird out.
Wait, I think I heard him over here.
He's nervous.
Yeah, he's definitely scared. Right?
Someone's gotta catch him.
See it?
See you!
No way.
In the black van. No way.
Nuh-uh.
It's not you. That motherfucker, right?
Wait, what bin?
The black bin up here. Wait, so, hold on. Wait, look at you. You think I can climb up there?
No, he's gonna fly away.
Hold on. So I'll climb from behind. Here he comes.
Yo,
Wait,
bird, get out of here.
keeps going above the thing. Come on, buddy, come out. Oh, he's on the track.
No way. Show me. Show me. All right, what'd you say? Are you serious? Are you serious? Show the people. All right, so yesterday we had a shot bird, and then we threw it on the internet. Do you think Andre would actually catch him with his hand?
Bro, he was stuck in between boxes.
Oh, look at you saving him. He wouldn't have made it.
Step away from the building, because he might fly back.
Yeah. Oh, look at him.
Dude, we just heard a bunch of like flapping like in between boxes. Like, what the heck, bro? Catch and release. That's the name of the game, right, Adam? Yep.
What are we doing?
All right, catch and release. Here we go. TG Pet. He's probably gonna come back. Fly away.
Bye, be free, buddy.
Bro, he's gonna buffet, bro.
All right, well, bird is free. Back to normal packing orders and getting carts out. Time to go.